Hi, so today I'm going to look at Squarespace and try to show you how to create um, a navigation within your menu that has a drop down. So first we're going to log into Squarespace, and then this is your dashboard. Then you're going to choose the website you want to work on. So let's do that. And then once we've done that, let's see if we can move this, right? Then we're going to come to all the options and things that you can do to your website. So your website's displayed in the middle. On the left-hand side is the menu of items that we can work on. So it's actually going to be pages. All right, and this is all your pages associated with your website. So there's the main navigation and the pages associated with that. So your main navigation is at the top. And then underneath it says not linked. So these are pages that are not linked to anything. So they're not part of the main navigation or anything. So these ones are still visible to Google, but they're not linked anywhere. So unless you want to use them, it might be wise to remove them. That aside, let's just concentrate on what we're doing now. So what we're going to do is create a navigation item within the main navigation that has a number of drop down with a number of distinct pages. So how we do that is we go to the main navigation. You see the little plus sign? Let's click on that. And then it gives you a whole lot of different types of pages you can add to the main navigation, to your site. So blank page with page layout, scheduling, and then a blog, a store, a portfolio, events, videos, a course, which is interesting, member site, and then drop down or link. So drop down is what we're interested in. So let's click on drop down, and sure enough, it gives us a drop down. So let's call it services. All right. And it says this drop down is empty. So now we need to start adding pages to this drop down. So let's add this first page, and again, we can choose the type of page we want to add. So let's call it blank page, and we'll call it all our services, and that could be a list of all the services that are offered. And let's add another page, again a blank page. Let's give it a title. So this is where the keyword mapping comes in, and it has all the pages that we're interested in putting on our site. So we have a number of pages under services. So organic social media, let's add that page. Just got to double click. Organic social media. All right, let's add another page, again a blank page. Let's add social media management. Okay, all right. Let's add another page, blank page, and we'll call it social media calendar. Great. And let's add another social media creation. That's a nice one. Oops. Close. My mistake. All right, add page. I think I clicked on page layouts by mistake. Blank page. We'll call it social media creation. That's another service. Social media strategy. Great. Let's add one more. Social media advertising. All right. Advertising. All right. Okay, so we've added this drop down navigation called services. Now if you look at the actual website on the right hand side, you'll see that the services drop down or navigation has been created, and then all the pages underneath have also been created. So let's click on one of them, our services. And there we go. We have an empty page that can be filled in with all the different services that are offered. And then let's click on organic social. And now an empty page where information can be added. So that's how you add a navigation item to your website that has a drop down with pages, with distinct pages. Great. So I hope that helps.